Just bringing you an update on Allotment Life. I was dead happy. Like, to get me allotment, I was over the moon. I don't want it now, though. My friend Jason, who grows, well, he pickles beetroot. He said it turns his pea pink or something. He said that allotments can be very dangerous because we were going to get a shed to sit in and stuff and put tools in and that. And he said a man had a shed and he had a dog and a Calagaseita. And the dog knocked the Calagaseita over, set fire to the shed, and the Calagaseita blocked the doorway and the man couldn't get out. And you know he got out? He had to put the dog through the window. Smashed the window with the dog. Lucy! Lucy! Oh no, shame.